Hey guys, this is Brian with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be working on this pulley, and I had already masked off one section, but we're going to be blasting both these sections with aluminum oxide on one side and glass bead on the other. Now, aluminum oxide, that's more of a matte finish. If you're going for that, that's the perfect abrasive you want to use with that. But if you're looking for more of that polishing effect, then you want to opt with glass bead. But we're going to be demonstrating the finishes on both parts, showing you how easy this process is when it comes to vapor honing. And it's so easy, guys. I'm actually doing this in a suit. So let's see how it turns out, and let's get to it. So we just got done vapor honing this pulley right here. We masked off one side and used glass bead to achieve a polishing finish. And then we masked the other side off and we used aluminum oxide in that case to achieve more of a matte finish. With this type of process right here with vapor honing, it is very revolutionary to do this without any dust when it comes to our wet blast cabinets. This type of finish that you're going for, relative if it's matte or a polishing effect, we do have the correct abrasive for your application, surrounded by a showroom of many models and cabinets to fit the perfect application that's for your size. Again, we have a full team that's dedicated, more than happy to assist you guys 365 around the clock, including holidays. A great way to reach us at, that's going to be 828-220-4934.